Zip, zero, zilch.
Some of them will.
So it's 21 Montauk.
Uh-huh.
Walk in, hook up later. Hey guys, Captain Keith here from Clearwater coming at you. Still got Al Casella here with us, our business and F&I manager here at the Clearwater store. Another one of these questions we're getting that are coming through here. How much money do you need to put down on a boat?
Keith, our lenders will take anywhere from nothing down, maybe up to 30% down.
Wait, zip, zero, zilch?
Some of them will.
So it's 21 Montauk.
Uh-huh.
Walk in, hook up later.
Maybe not that simple, but yes, there are some lenders that will take zero money down.
Okay.
Okay, and yeah, we can get the loan done. But you know, again,
That's probably not the norm.
that's not the norm. You know, our typical lenders are going to take anywhere from 10 to 20% down. That's really the wheelhouse, right? 10 to 20% down. Some banks may require a little bit more, some boats, some pre-owned boats, things like that. Yes, there are some lenders where you don't have to put any cash down.
Okay.
Okay, and you could hook up and go, Keith.
Not the norm is the zip, the zero, the zilch, but that's why you need to come in here and talk to these guys. When you're dealing with your sales professionals and you're going through the process, get with the business and finance manager guys, and they're gonna figure it out and make it as easy as possible for you guys to get out on the water. Hope this helps. See y'all out there.